Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully, everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It is a weekend, and we're going to do some unboxings today. So definitely check these guys out. Everybody should know their name. This is coming from Polk Audio. Amazing home audio experience you're gonna have. So all I gotta do is click the link. If you like this item, add it to your cart. Check out so they can ship it to you fast. And if you have free time, also see what other goodies they have to offer. I know they got the mini sound bars, but this is the big one. So we're gonna take a look inside. This is the MagniFi 2. Expect great sound. This is it, guys. Definitely excited to show you guys 4K HDR, HDMI, Dolby Audio, DTS, Digital Surround, DTS, True Surround, Wireless Subwoofer, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Polk, Voice Adjust. Now that feature I cannot wait to show you guys. Technology. There you go. Array, SDA. So this is the one to get, guys. So we're going to open this thing up, take a look inside. You get a big subwoofer, you get the soundbar, get the controller, probably a couple cords and whatnot. We'll be right back. Oh boy, here we go, guys. Got it out of the box. And like I said, if you have problems finding the accessories, they're all in the grooves in between. Here they are. Look at this thing go. This thing is a beauty. Got the volumes. And look at this one. She's a beast. Definitely can't wait to hook this up. And then on the back, you got the HDMI outputs. Excuse me. Optical cable. Connect wirelessly. Power. All that good stuff in the back. And there's the mounts where you can mount it. Right there. But look at this thing. Oh boy. This is definitely... Oh man, it's heavy though. If you guys can see, it's easy. Power, then hit connect. So it's really easy to use. Easy to set up. And now the fun part. I just got to take my old soundbar out. Replace it with this one, but sweet controller. Got the gold or silver, probably silver. Kind of looks gold, but easy touch buttons. You got the power, another power, HDMI, optical, and there's the cable. That's the covering. The manuals, I'm definitely going to need that. So there's that. Alright guys, next part, we're going to be in the other room testing it out. So stay tuned. Forgot to show the most important part of this subwoofer is the speakers. So when you put it on the ground, I mean it still has a nice lift so it won't touch anything where you put it. So make sure you have enough area underneath it so it won't hit the subwoofer right here. Look at that tweeter. Ooh. Definitely nicely ported. Oh man. I think that's about an 8-inch. It's been a while since I did subwoofers. I used to have 15s and all that good stuff in my car. But home audio is totally different. So I think these are around 8-inch. Maybe higher. But definitely excited. And I had to show you that. This part. Yeah, really nice. Gotta love Polk Audio. Alright guys, next stop, family room. Alrighty YouTubers, here we go. Got it all set up. Got the remote. And then subwoofer is right here. And volume. Bass. Sounds really good for movies. There you have it. Get the Polk audio, and link will be down below. Have a good night. Be safe.